Argentina versus Austria. On paper, this looks like a straightforward win for the reigning world champions. But World Cup history has taught us one thing. The biggest surprises happen when everyone thinks they already know the result. So could Austria pull off a massive upset today? Or will Lionel Scaloni's Argentina take another step toward World Cup glory? Let's break it down. Coming into this match, Argentina look exactly like the team fans expected. Their tournament started with a dominant 3-0 victory over Algeria, sending a clear message to the rest of the competition. Austria, meanwhile, also impressed in their opening match, defeating Jordan 3-1 and showing they are far more dangerous than many predicted. So while Argentina may be the favorite, Austria arrives with confidence and momentum. And that makes this matchup much more interesting than it first appears. When you look at Argentina, one thing stands out immediately. Experience. This is a team built for major tournaments. They know how to control games. They know how to handle pressure. And most importantly, they know how to win. Against Algeria, Argentina looked organized, disciplined, and ruthless when chances appeared. Their attack created opportunities from multiple areas of the pitch, making them difficult to defend against. But there's something even more important. Argentina rarely panic. Even when games become difficult, they stay calm and trust their system. That's a huge advantage in World Cup football. Now here's where things get interesting. Austria are not coming into this match to simply defend and hope for the best. Their 3-1 victory over Jordan showed a team willing to attack and take risks. They have energy, they have confidence, and they have absolutely nothing to lose. That's often what makes underdogs so dangerous. When all the pressure is on the favorite, the underdog can play freely. And if Austria managed to score first, the entire dynamic of this match could change. Suddenly, Argentina would be forced to chase the game. And that's exactly the scenario Austria will be hoping for. Forget the goals for a moment. The real battle may happen in midfield. If Argentina dominate possession and control the tempo, Austria could spend most of the match defending. But if Austria can disrupt Argentina's rhythm, win second balls, and force mistakes, they may create opportunities on the counter-attack. This is where matches like these are often decided. Not by flashy moments, but by who wins the small battles across the pitch. Despite being favorites, Argentina cannot afford to become complacent. World Cups are filled with examples of strong teams underestimating opponents. Austria have already shown they can score goals. And if Argentina starts slowly, Austria will believe they have a chance. The longer the game stays level, the more pressure begins to shift onto Argentina. And pressure can change everything. After looking at the form, the quality of both squads, tournament experience, and tactical matchup, Argentina still have the edge. Austria are capable of making this competitive, especially in the early stages. But over 90 minutes, Argentina's quality should eventually make the difference. My prediction: Argentina 2, Austria 0. I expect Austria to defend aggressively and make life difficult for long periods. But Argentina's experience and attacking talent should help them find the breakthrough. Now it's your turn. Do you agree with this prediction? Will Argentina win comfortably? Or are we about to witness one of the biggest upsets of the World Cup so far? Drop your score prediction in the comments before kickoff. And don't forget to subscribe for daily FIFA World Cup 2026 predictions, analysis, and match breakdowns.